When it comes to configurable and fixed components for factory automation, press die and the plastic mold industries, there is only one leader, MISUMI. MISUMI manufactures and supplies automation components, fasteners, materials, press die, plastic mold, injection mold components, and many more. MISUMI India was established in 2009 as a subsidiary of MISUMI Corporation. Today, it delivers more than 1 million components to the Indian market. Here's why purchasing components from MISUMI makes sense for your business. MISUMI gives you the QCT advantage, which means that you get the highest quality components at a competitive cost within the shortest lead time. Just log on to in.misumi-ec.com to find, configure, and order the components for your requirement with our new and improved e-catalogue. You can search for the right components by product name or by using the part number. Configure components as per your requirement and generate unique part codes. Instantly download CAD data, part details, or the specification sheet. Use a part number checker application to avoid ordering with an incorrect part number. For bulk ordering, use a copy and paste from Excel option to conveniently import your company data. When ready, just generate a quote and place your order. With the MISUMI web ordering system, you can review, approve, or reject any orders that have been placed incorrectly by your employees. Instantly check quotation and order history, and you can even track the shipment status of all your orders at one place. To register with MISUMI, just log on to in.misumi-ec.com and click on New User. Fill out and submit the customer registration form, and your login details shall be sent to your inbox shortly. In case you get stuck somewhere, MISUMI's customer support is always available for you. Transform your business with the MISUMI E-Catalogue.
MISUMI